Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at VideoNFTizer. Now this is a brand new and unique application that's gonna let you guys turn any kind of video into an actual video NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. Alright, now you can use any kind of video. It can be a video that you shot using your mobile phone, or it can be a video that you've edited with other application, and it's a really great decision, guys, jumping into video NFTs because more and more people are loving videos, watching videos, and you can take advantage of this with this brand new application, which is Video NFTizer. All right, now before I'm going to show you the demo of this, right, how this works, how you can easily create and turn any kind of video into an actual NFTs. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can get great result with Video NFTizer and get an additional value if you guys would like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link. Bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a training program that's gonna show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to explain the audio converter. This comes with a reseller license, which means you can resell this as your own product. This also comes with marketing materials such as website, HTML based website. You can install this into your domain and resell this software as your own product. Right? You can convert any kind of video. You can convert any kind of audio format with this application. My bonus number three, guys, I'm gonna give you access to explain the sketchline color changer. I forgot to change this into sketchline, but basically, this is um, a whiteboard video, application that's gonna, allow you guys to change the color of the sketch. And this also comes with the reseller license, which means you can resell this as your own product. This also comes with marketing materials. Bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to explain the audio converter with a reseller license as well. You can also resell this as your own product. You can convert any kind of video format and video sizes with this application. Bonus number five, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Tech Video Cyborg. This is gonna allow you guys to create videos without manually creating videos. You just enter a keyword and this software will automatically create videos for you using this technology right here, right? That's my bonus number five. My bonus number six, guys, is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to send your email marketing. So I have this, agency license. I'm gonna create your account inside of my agency license. That way you can have your own email marketing software without, having to pay for a monthly payment for email marketing software again. Bonus number seven, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Bitcoin Breakthrough. Now this is another guide and training program that's gonna show you guys all about Bitcoin, right? And then bonus number eight is of course all vendor bonuses. So those are all of my bonuses, guys. And these bonuses right here, guys, is only available for this, exclusive launch day period, right? These bonuses will not be available after the launch period of Video NFTizer. So I want you guys to take advantage of this. Lock in your copy of Video NFTizer during this, launch day period. All right. Now, when you guys use my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, when you guys click that link, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. Now, the headline says, finally turn any kind of videos shot on a mobile phone or created by another app into an actual video NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, right? Now, it's a really great tool, guys. It's a really great decision when it comes to jumping into video NFTs because just like I said, more and more people are loving videos. There are a lot of social media, places that adapted into this kind of, short videos, and more people, loving to watch videos, right? I myself is a fan of videos, and you can take advantage of this and use this software, guys, to make money by turning any kind of videos into an actual video NFTs and sell those kind of video NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. All right. Now, don't worry with your investment, guys, because this comes with 30 days money back guarantee. And if you don't like the product, you can just refund your money and you still be able to get access to all of my bonuses. But just like I said, this is only available for this during this launch day period, right? Now you can learn more about this by, watching the video, reading the information on the sales page. That way you can have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out. Alright. Now I'm gonna play this video, guys. Alright. I cannot read the information of the sales page because this is a really lengthy sales page. You can do this in your own time. That way you can really have better understanding how this video NFTizer works and how it can help you to make money selling video NFTs, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna play this video, that way you can see how video NFTizer works, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye.
All right, here we are in the video creation app, which you can use to make your video NFTs. Now, the first thing you'll notice, really take a look here, is how easily laid out this app is. We always try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, let's start with the mini demo. So in this mini demo, we'll create a full motion NFT video. And we'll start by adding a scene template. Then we use the bottom slider here to move to the part we want to customize. And here you notice 3 text placeholders. Let's edit each by clicking on the text hotspot and entering a new text. Here, here, and here. Great. Now let's click on the video hotspot and add a video like this. Well, cool. So now let's add a second scene template. Click on the newly added scene, then move to the part we want to customize. Add the background image, add the video, then reposition the video just a little. Okay, looks good. All right, let's add a nice transition between the current 2 scenes, then add a third scene template, like that. Now, click on the new scene, drag the slider bar again to the place we want to edit, then add a video right here. And in the final step, add a transition between the second and third scene. Good. Hey, we're done. Let's take a look at what we've just created. Wow, it came out perfect. This demo shows you just how easy it is to make powerful, mind-blowing, full-motion NFT videos with this app.